My name is Janis, Naeve, and I'm managing director of a new fund, Bright Frontier Capital. And we're looking to invest in companies in the area of kidney health that go everywhere from data and analytics and AI to care delivery.
My name is Grendell, and I'm the general counsel of Protara Therapeutics, which is a clinical stage biotech company based in New York. We're in oncology and rare disease, and we have a company presentation later in the week.
Could you give us a little insight to some of the things that are already being spoken about for the 2026 year?
I think from our perspective, even just coming into this, it looks like biotech is definitely coming back around. I think that we saw some filings for some IPOs. I think we saw an IPO later last year that's still trading up, and I know there's been some new filings that are quite interesting, which, given the last 4 or 5 years that we've seen, this is a very welcome change, and I think that I'm catching kind of the vibe here that is definitely a lot more upbeat.
I agree. I'm an M&A and business development lawyer by training, so I've been here in that past life too, and I used to work with Janis at our old company Amgen, so it's exciting to see kind of the M&A markets come back too. It's the good energy here this year.
What is something that you would like to get out of JP Morgan this year?
I'd actually like to see more detail around where AI and data and analytics intersect in healthcare. I think it's kind of been really spoken about at the highest level, because I think actually we're also seeing the changing in the money flows from deep tech to actually more into healthcare.
Also updates on AI, everything from the clinical trial context and how it can address and with help in that regard, and also with legal use cases too. And luckily there's a fair amount of lawyers and with presentations on that also.